Hi guys, so Bobi recently launched their eyebrow pencil and I'll be sharing this quick brow tutorial using their brow pencil. First of all, we'll start by brushing our eyebrows and we'll start filling the gaps of the eyebrows. One thing we should always remember while filling the eyebrows, we should never make box-like structure and never fill them directly. Always fill only the gaps in your eyebrows. This eyebrow pencil from Bobi is available in 3 shades: black, grey and brown. I'm using the black shade because this suits my skin tone well. You can use it according to your skin shade. And once we are done by filling the eyebrows, we should brush our eyebrows down and just make line according to your natural brow shape. Once you've done that, brush your eyebrows back and ta-da, you are done.